Good morning again, our dear audience. You are welcome to TGM Agricultural Center. My name is Tayo Benga Michael. Today we are going to discuss an importance of sun energy to the birds, our birds, especially the layers and the broilers. The importance of sun. Let's go inside. These are our birds. We are practicing deep litter system and we maintain the what is it called? Our shaving that we are using for them. We normally change it every month, every 30 days. We change it and we disinfect the shaving. Now look at this bed. This weather, we don't have a very good weather at this moment because we are in the rainy season. I'm talking from Nigeria, we're in the rainy season, and we all know the implication or the effect of excess or excessive rains on the beds. They don't used to shear up, even it affect their laying at times. So now you can see I allow the sun to a little bit enter into the pen so that they can receive that vitamin E energy. They will share up and they will be thirsty because during the rainy season they don't normally drink or eat very well. But now the sun that's entering the pen allow them to drink water very well and they are eating, then they are sharing up, they are very energetic. So please, the importance of sun energy can never be overemphasized on our beds. They are very important. Look at this one also. They are separated sick bed. They are sick. That's why we separated them. We are going inside now. But don't forget, before you enter into your pen, the importance of biosecurity should not be avoided. You should take it very, very serious. So, for biosecurity, because we are practicing deep litter system, the heads are already laid. They are laying already. They are laying already. So, I'm going to please come closer. Come closer. So I'm going to show you. Okay, we are going to pick the heads. We are going to pick heads now because some have already laid. This is where we prepare for their laying. This is their laying bed. So some have already laid. You can see. Move closer, please. Some are laying already. So you can see. So you can look at them. They are playing. They are doing very well. They are very healthy and they are hitting. They are hitting. The sun really helped them because before they don't drink much. So we have to change their water now because their water is almost finished. So that is it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share our page. Please. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Subscribe to our channel too. Thank you.